Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast BBQ. Hey, today we're going to be taking a look at a new weapon that we just received in the Bad Beast arsenal. We were fortunate enough to get our hands on a Napoleon Prestige PRO Propane Gas Grill. Okay, this grill is fantastic. It has all type of features on it, which we'll go over in a few minutes. Okay, we're also going to be doing a surf and turf on this grill as its initial cook. All right, I would have loved to have done this outside, but with the wind and the dogs barking next door and the weather, was not conducive to the audio. So we're doing it this way. So hopefully you'll enjoy it. But hey, with no further ado, let me introduce you to the Napoleon Prestige Pro 665. The Napoleon Prestige Pro 665 Propane Gas Grill comes with infrared rear and side burners and has everything you need for professional grade backyard grilling. The Napoleon Grill comes with iconic wave cooking grids for those distinctive sear marks. On the outside, the Napoleon has a shiny stainless steel body which provides durability against the elements, while the chrome details add a touch of luxury. Not just durable on the outside, under the lid is the same quality stainless steel used for the cooking grids, tube burners, and dual level sear plates. Now, the Napoleon 665 Prestige Pro has a whole bunch of features that I like about it, but the three features that I like the most are: one, the dedicated wood chip tray with dedicated burner. Okay, man, this allows you to put whatever your favorite wood chips are in the propane gas grill and add a touch of smoke to your meal. Okay, it has a dedicated burner that burns specifically that wood tray, and it adds smoke to the entire grill. The second feature that I love about the Prestige Pro 665 is that infrared dual level side burner. We put a steak on that, and man, that came out fantastic. The manual says it can get up to 1800 degrees. We didn't need to get it that high, but that steak came out fantastic. I was able to sear a New York strip 2.5 to 3 minutes on each side, and it came out medium rare, came out perfect. Okay, and the final feature that I love about the 665 are the LED lights on the knobs. That is so cool, man. You can change them to a variety of different colors, or they can just rotate through the LED colors, and makes a fantastic display, especially in the afternoon and at night, man. They look fantastic. Also, they have that little safety feature where the knob is red when you leave the propane gas on, so it lets you know when the burner is turned on. Okay, so hey, enough of talking about the features. Let's go ahead and show you what we cooked. I'm gonna give you a quick little montage, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on the Prestige Pro 665. All right, guys, so that's it for the little montage of our cook. We cooked black tiger shrimp, we cooked corn on the cob, we cooked a New York strip steak, and we had some mixed vegetables with zucchini and squash and some bell peppers, okay? I gotta say that all the food came out fantastic. The wife was in heaven, especially with the grilled corn, okay? We kind of put a Louisiana Cajun twist on the grilled corn instead of putting the mayonnaise and stuff on it like they do for the Mexican grilled corn. We basted it in butter. We put a herb blend on it, and then we put remoulade sauce all over it, and then sprinkled it with grated Parmesan cheese. Man, talk about was fantastic. I will definitely do an individual video on the corn at a later date. Okay. Well, that's about it. If you guys are interested in some type of gas grill or any type of grill, hey, check out Napoleon. They have a wide range of grills. Their Prestige Pro series, I can vouch for it since we have one. It's a fantastic grill. Stainless steel, has tons of features. It even has a slide out draw for your propane tank, so you won't have to struggle with getting underneath the cabinet. The draw slides out. You put the propane tank in it, attach the hose, and push it back in. Okay, got some great aesthetics to it. I love the LED lights. I love the sizzle zone for the steaks. And I'm definitely looking forward to using the rotisserie feature in the grill. Okay. So I'm going to put some links down in the description block if you guys want to check it out. Go out to the Napoleon website and check out all the grills that they have out there. I think you'll be pleasantly pleased and pleasantly surprised at the quality of the products. Okay. So check them out when you get a chance. Well, that's about it. Hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. And if it's fire, then man, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.